So, how is everything going on the project since our last team meeting?
Fine.
Good.
Is everyone on track with their tasks?
Yes.
So far so good.
How about your budgets?
There's never enough budget, is there? But I don't suppose you have any extra to hand out, do you?
Nice try. Well, it looks like the costs to date are on track with what we planned. But, let's just go over some of the upcoming tasks and milestones to make sure we are really where we need to be. Luke, how's it going with the analysis? What was the impact of those updated projections that we had to add from the recent study?
It looks like they will really change the sizing and phasing in the design, so we'll have to go back and make some changes. I'm reworking it right now, but I won't have it for another week.
That's more than we expected and out of scope. Document all the time you are spending on this, and you and I need to meet with the client to discuss this immediately.
If you won't have your task done for another week to feed into my task, that's a scheduling issue for me. I was expecting it this week and am committed to another project next week.
Can you look into delaying your other project or tell me when you'll be available so I can rework the plan?
I'll get back to you this afternoon. It's going to affect our subconsultant too. They need the same information.
Are they on track with their scope and schedule? Why aren't they here today?
I said we'd call them if we had questions to minimize the meeting cost.
Okay, but I think we need to conference them in for the meeting in future so we're all up to speed. Now, how about the QC review on facility sizing and phasing? Bob, have you scheduled that yet?
No, I guess that's a good job since it's being delayed.
No, we need to get it on Jim's schedule. He's really busy. Even if it gets delayed, please keep him up to date on the changes and make sure it's going to happen and that he's available. Okay, I also talked to the client this week and they've been getting a lot of questions from the neighbors about the project. So, we need to help them prepare a presentation to address these concerns. I'll need to work with Melissa this week on that. Now, what other contacts have you had recently?
Someone mentioned to me that they were having trouble getting a quick response to phone calls or voicemails. So, we should probably be checking them more often.
Good point. Let's pass that on to the subconsultant too. Okay, does anyone have any questions, need any resources, information, or anticipate any issues before our next project meeting?
When are you going to let us know the outcome of the client meeting about the changes?
I'll set something up with them tomorrow. We'll have a quick team meeting afterwards. I'm also going to summarize the action steps from this meeting and get them out to the team today. Thanks everyone.